What a freaking trip this has been so far. I am in the middle of Kentucky. Just got off Interstate 24 right there. It was closed about 15 miles back. I had to get off and circle around and circle through all these cornfields here in Kentucky. So I'm heading on up to St. Louis. Keep watching Drive By Cars with Alan. I'm gonna go do a lot walk in St. Louis tomorrow morning. I'm staying up there. So on the road with Alan and Drive By Cars with Alan. So this is Interstate 24 over the Ohio River. I believe I'm crossing out of Kentucky and into Missouri, I think. Maybe it's Illinois, but yeah, I think I'm leaving the state of Kentucky. And they got this bridge down to one lane. This is pretty intense, nerve-wracking for me. I don't deal with this very often. But imagine if I was pulling a trailer right now. Oh my goodness. A motor, you know, a little 16-foot mobile home behind me. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm over the Ohio. I'll pick up my speed to 45. This is just a little freaky to me. I'll be glad when I'm off this damn bridge. I gotta cross it to come back and to go home. Wow. What a freaking experience this is. What state am I going into here? Does that say Illinois? Yep. I'm eventually going into Missouri then, because I'm gonna cross the Mississippi today. But welcome to Illinois, the land of Lincoln. 0.2 of a mile, I keep heading north to Chicago. This is pretty fun. I'm glad I decided to do this. So it just dawned on me, I'm sitting here at a rest stop here in Illinois. This is the farthest I've ever been away from home by myself. That I've ever driven away from home. So we're gonna head on into St. Louis, Missouri. See you in a little while. Never seen fields like this before. Stay on the road, dummy. City, here I come. Here's 70 West. All right. Let's see what this does. Going to Kansas City. Kansas City, here I come. So this is the farthest west I've been in my truck, to just west of St. Louis, a town called O'Fallon, and it's in Missouri, not Illinois. But there's the sun. We're off for another day. What a morning. So I've made it out here to the Gateway Arch of St. Louis. And you can just make it out coming through the trees. There's the base of one side of it right there. My God, man, that thing is huge. Wow. It gives me vertigo just looking up there. And they say you can take a ride to the top of it. There's no way I'm getting in that thing. Forget it. We'll go over here and touch it and look up at it, but no, I'm not getting in it. Wow. That's pretty cool. How in the hell did they build that? And the Mississippi River is just over on the other side of where those people are jogging. This is pretty cool. Man, that gives me vertigo. I am not getting in that thing. Big sheets of steel. Wow. It's amazing. People have been etching their names on it. Wow. That just, look at the weld on that. The bead. Incredible. The slag marks. The splatter. And the little, wow. I wonder if they come by here and fill this, or if this is the original weld. It's gotta be. Incredible. Wow. And there looms the Mississippi River. No, thank you. You can just barely, at the very top, make out those little windows. Helicopter tours. Wow. There's a sun over the Mississippi. Barge traffic. That looks like a pretty cool job, driving a barge up and down the Mississippi River. I smell horses. horses. Look at that. That's the riverbank. This is crazy. People living down here, or just hanging out. Wow. That's one hell of a chain. Huh. Well, here's your chance, Alan. Go down and touch the Mississippi. Crazy, right? All right. Bucket list. Just got one spot quieter. All right, but that's pretty freaking cool right there. Pretty amazing. All right. Check. Put my hand in the Mississippi. Check. Seen the St. Louis Arch. Bucket list just got a little emptier. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna keep going. Have no choice.